if you are a rookie and you do not have a social media presence, you are not documenting videos, the fastest way to make money online is rendering a service. For example, if you are good and skillful enough in something to teach someone something. For example, if you can teach people accounting, mathematics, how to build systems, websites, email automated responders, if you can teach people how to do digital marketing, if you can teach people trading, drop shipping, e-commerce, how to build a website with products, any service you can render to people, that is probably the fastest way you can make money. Documenting a video, uploading that video onto Facebook, running a Facebook ad with a 10-mile radius on people that are staying probably close to you. Guys, there are people, right? Videos